So please tell me how. I'm literally editing my video right now with Custom. I going to see this wedding venue. I didn't even do an intro nor an outro for this video. Like, what? Bear with me as I start this vlogging journey. I promise you we will get better. I will get better at doing this. It's just a hot mess. It's just all over the place. So let me just quickly tell you guys what we did or what we were doing that day. So we went to visit a venue called the Club of Nights. It's in Miami. It has a really nice rustic theme, the theme that we really focus in this wedding for in 2020. This is nice. Yes, it's really nice. And then the dance floor right here. It's really nice. How many people this accommodate?
180.
180.
So what I'm thinking in my head, it would be kind of cool to do greenery hanging from these balloons to accentuate the chandeliers, and then either like a big long table all around.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Yeah, I really want that.
Maybe like garlands of greenery and like a lot of different level candles.
Yeah.
And then like a long table here for you or something. We have a booth up here where the DJ can go.
Okay, perfect.
And then we're gonna come back in here in a second.
Okay.
It's a full built-in lighting and sound system. I'm about to show you.
Ooh,
what do you think of the initial look of this?
It's nice. Yeah. It's really, really nice. It's gorgeous. So this is where the bar and everything will be.
We had a wedding last night until 1:30 a.m.
Oh my god.
So this is the main entrance.
Look how pretty that is. Oh, this is the main where everybody comes to. Okay.
Highly recommend adding valet parking. It's gonna run you around $650. I think it's a must. Because all of these meters here in the front would be reserved. As if imagine you were going to a restaurant or a hotel.
Yeah.
With the valet reserve signs, the umbrella that says valet parking, the whole thing. Your cars just drive in, and this is the first thing everyone would see when they arrive.
What will be here?
Yeah, it's our time. We're gonna go see them.
You look so amazed.
It's totally up to you what you want to do. So a lot of times I recommend like renting some sort of like hedge wall. One of those.
So people can take pictures.
Exactly.
Okay, yeah.
Or like a flower wall, whatever design. Probably more greenery would be really nice here. And then either some like boho, this all depends on the budget. Like some boho like vintage furniture, create like a cool lounge.
Yeah.
A mix of like the modern, rustic. You have the barrels, which we can move over to the side too.
Exactly.
And that would potentially take your photo, kind of mingle for 10-15 minutes, and then head outside for the ceremony. Make sure the fountain on for you.
Oh, here's nice too. This is really nice. What do you think? How cute. Oh yeah. There goes a little fountain. I look at lost though. Oh yeah, the light. So the light automatically comes with.
Yeah.
Okay.
You're seeing it right now as is. You're actually seeing it very messy in my opinion. You're not even seeing it 100% up to par.
Oh yeah. So where would the ceremony like?
In front of this tree.
In front of this tree.
And then the chairs would be this way. I mean 100 chairs probably make the show around here.
Yeah.
160 last night.
Wow.
Yeah, I'll show you some pictures. We have a lot of room out here. Over here, I recommend doing like a water station. Maybe like with some spa water. What we're doing tomorrow, like mint water, lemon water, strawberry water.
Yeah.
We can do like a spiked lemonade. You can do a cigar bar up here if you want to give it that way.
Yeah.
It's totally up to you.
Okay, this is nice.
Lighting comes included.
Okay, perfect.
What do you guys think so far?
It's really nice. It's really, really nice.
And then the restrooms over here. I always think it's important to see them. And you do have a bathroom attendant.
This is nice.
So there will be someone just attending the restrooms all evening.
Nice.
Ceremony ends, everyone walks back in through these doors, and you'll have waiters lined up here with your signature cocktail. And then after cocktail hour, everyone will walk into this space. Speakers are built in, all the lighting transforms. It goes from a really romantic, rustic type of environment to more of a party vibe.
Okay guys, so we went to the venue. Oh, I had to take a little picture, by the way. So you'll see a little picture photo shoot there. Casa just got rid of me before he started the car. What do you think of this venue?
Very nice.
Do you like it better than the Addison, honestly? I like the dance floor, but the Addison had more light. Natural light.
Okay.
Price point too is two different things as well. The outside here is really nice, but Costa is more like a what's it called, a modern rustic, whereas the Addison was just like rustic. Even without like discounts and everything, the price point is much higher than the Addison, so it's definitely something to consider. I feel like we should revise the Addison, but overall she was very nice. What's her name again? Daniela was very nice. Susie, what's the other one name?
That's not Susie.
Some of the S. What is it? Sarah? No. I don't know, I can't remember her name, but they were extremely nice. It's her family business, so it just came naturally to her. I didn't feel pressured or anything like that. She listed out the prices. We were able to print it out, so we have it here on file, but everything went smoothly. I do recommend this place if you guys don't have no budget, if you guys just living their best lives. They have like different venues as well they can show you, but so far this one was really good. So we're pretty much off to eat because Costa always hungry. We're gonna go, where is it called? I don't know, baby. What's it called?
Sushi place.
Look at Costa busting up everybody. He got into a fight. He got into a fight with a chicken, and look at his lip.
And I ate the chicken.
It's all busted. Come on, baby. Who did that?
Starting route to KO Sushi and Grill. Head east on Catalonia Avenue. Then turn left onto Ponce de Leon Boulevard.
There's people behind you, bro.
Are they looking at us? I don't want to look. I don't want to look. Bump your hair, baby. Hey. I just want to let everybody know that Costa do dance, but he dance off camera. Every time I pop the camera, he's act like he can't move. What you breathing so heavy for? Second thing that we went to do is go have some sushi, because Costa loves sushi and he got me into sushi. Okay, I can't remember what it's called, but you know, I pronounced it wrong in the vlog, but that's besides the point. Currently eating at the Chai Sushi and Grill. Trying to get some, what's it called? Oh, chow?
Chow.
What's it called? How do you pronounce this?
Cow. Cow Sushi Grill.
Thank you. I'm glad we got that on camera.
Let's go.
You have your rolls? Like deep fry it, the whole roll, or no?
We have different. This is fried, everything, and it has white fish and salmon inside. After they fry it, when they serve it on the plate, they put guacamole on top. Delicious. And cow tempura roll. Shrimp is cooked, of course, and it's crispy. Roca shrimp is a sushi plus the grill. So we have Argentinian barbecue. This is for 2-3 people, 20 hours, but we also have the personal. All the platters, it has different sushis, you know, this is what it is. So the different is this and this. It has 3 cheese and has avocado, the salmon and the shrimp. Of course, the shrimp is cooked, but the salmon inside has shrimp and avocado, the rice, the sea. Here, Caribbean mix is 2 for 1.
The steak.
Look at him getting so excited about this sushi. Come on, you should get this.
You're gonna eat it?
That's not calamari?
That's octopus, baby.
Isn't calamari octopus?
Not really. You wanna try that? Where is it?
Good night.
Miso soup.
It's good.
That's good miso soup. Best I ever had. I swear.
I never had
good,
miso
right?
soup.
Really?
I still think so. The the tempura shrimp roll.
No, I think you
You make
do
this
that.
one.
Spicy tuna tartar. Tuna wrapping salmon, wrapping avocado, on top with the spicy mayo.
And then after that restaurant, we actually went to David Bridal because it was just really close by. I don't know why, but I just wanted to go see what dresses they have and what type of price points they're working with, because let me tell you something. Wedding planning is not easy. Like, it's not easy. It's very expensive. The more places we visit, the more we see that a lot of stuff is not in the budget that we were planning. Okay guys, so we're gonna go to David Bridal.
So, are we? Where is it?
Wait, is it walking the same? It's not walking the same. I have 2 bags, by the way. This one. A 3-minute walk.
Which way?
No, down. See? You know what?
Let's go. I think it's right there. No.
Are you cool? It's not that
I am a little chilly. I should have worn that.
bugger. She already fit. See, first thing that comes to mind is she always. See if it right. You go there. Oh, my lace is untied. Can you tie it for me? Really, voice. What type of dresses you like?
No dress.
No, for real. Like, what looks do you like? Do
I
you think is
honestly-
cool?
Like, like sexy stuff.
Yeah. Ooh, this is nice. No? 800. You don't like that lace, look? That's beautiful. To be quite honest, I didn't see anything that I really liked, nor did Costa like. And then that was pretty much the end of the video, which I forget to do an outro, so I do apologize for that. Yeah. But besides that, pray for us, please, because this wedding venue hunting and, you know, just seeing all these prices, these price points is like way high. Like, just to have this wedding in 2020, I'm praying that it is done. So please pray for us. If you guys have any rustic theme locations that you guys know of in Florida, please let me know so we can go check it out and see if it's in our price point. But yeah, and that's pretty much for it in this vlog. If you guys are planning to get married, or if you guys want to get married someday, I suggest having a savings account for that, because let me tell you, it is expensive, especially if you have a lot of family and friends. Okay, just putting that out there. But yeah, so that's pretty much it for the vlog, guys. I do apologize once again for not doing an intro and an outro for this video and telling you guys what I was doing, but it's a good thing that I edit my stuff myself. Hope you guys do have a beautiful and enjoyable day. I got to go to work, and I'll see you guys in the next vlog that I'll be doing.